I have been dreaming of this single noodle pasta for the longest time, and now that we're in Tokyo, we have to try it. Hey Cravers, we are in Tokyo and we are dining at Chicago Meat and Cheese Forne. Dito nyo makikita yung single noodle na dish. And yes, isang peraso lang siyang noodle na sobrang haba. Ordering is a breeze kasi magsascan lang kayo ng QR code and you order via your phone. Of course, we had to order the single noodle sirloin meat bonera. I had doubts kasi medyo gimmicky yung single noodle effect niya. Pero this is a lot of fun and it's really delicious. Pasta is not overcooked and ang creamy, ang rich, and ang flavorful ng sauce. Again, another life-changing dish for me dito sa Tokyo. Bibigyan din nila kayo ng black truffle powder and I suggest gamitin niyo siya. It enhances the flavor so much. Yung beef niya okay lang. It's not as tender as I expected pero sobrang sarap kasi ng pasta sauce. We also ordered a margarita pizza and no regrets, ang fresh ng ingredients, masarap yung